So we're going to talk about Solana, one of the good performers of the drop that happened on 5th of August. There were some coins that did really well, like SUI. It did really well. It had almost 100% recovery. It increased by 100% from the drop, which means if you had caught the drop, you would have doubled, which is a 2x. In case of Solana, it had almost, I think, 50% move up, not double. Double is really hard for Solana to do, but we did see its rally and it continued to do. So even last time when we spoke, I told you that Solana has its ranges. So its first support was at 122, which is still there, which is the last support for Solana. The other support is at 142 and the resistance was at 162. We saw Solana had its reaction towards 163.7 and it couldn't hold above 162. It failed and it dropped back. It dropped back. Now knowing that Solana, once it fails with the 162, what is the next support? Because it failed to break above the resistance. The support is at 142 and that is what happened when it dropped. It stopped at 142. It tried to make an attempt go up. It failed, started going sideways. It is sitting at 147 now, 147.86, which means it is closer to its support. It is trying to go up. It is trying to get more bullish and it can go towards 162 as long as 142 holds. The moment 142 is gone, you have only one more support on Solana, that is 122. After that, Solana will get bearish and you will start seeing Solana on $90. But for that, it needs to break below 122. And Solana structure-wise has broken out of uptrend. Now it is moving sideways, or actually, yeah, it started a downward trend, but now it is breaking, so it is moving sideways. So we are yet to experience what will happen next, and it all depends on the war situation of Iran attacking Israel. If that doesn't happen, we will expect Solana to hold 142 and go towards 162 and break that too. But if the war happens, then what will happen is that it will drop immediately towards 122. And then we will see what happens with the war situation. If it leads to extreme fear on a perpetual basis, we will start seeing $90 on Solana. If that doesn't happen, then we are not going to see anything. 122 will hold and then we'll start our uptrend again.